Hey guys, Jay at Phat back again, and we have a Hyundai i40 for a bit of a different one today. Hope you've had some lunch already because it's not pretty. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o, literally. Yummy. So, it is Phattman to the rescue. Shut up, Bobbin.
Can't be Bobbin unless I'm hitting over 150, you know? At 28.
Phattman at Bobbin. This is Jimmy's i40. He has obviously had someone install some stuff for him. Unfortunately, he did not realize that the installer that he had got was not confident. Apparently, when he had asked about installing a DSP, the guy said, "A what?" Let's go and have a look and see how bad this is.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Mate.
All right, here we are. Now, H8 DSP, cool. Yep. Yep. So this 2-channel is just literally to run the rear speakers. Then after that, we've also got a JL 905 HD under that seat, which actually doesn't look too bad from here, but of course. Just some more spaghetti. Lovely. Of course, all of this is getting stripped out. The other thing we'll do as well is we'll go around to a Z-boot using, yep, what looks like 20 gauge speaker wire to run a sub. You know, that's normal. Makes me hungry. Oh, wow. Oh. Being the case that it looks like that under there, doors will get stripped apart. We're now going active on this system, so how bad does it look up here, Mr. Bobbles?
It doesn't look like it's fucking done anything. Unless that's his, but that's too nice to be his.
That's been added. Well, the question is, where's the fuse?
Oh, the fuse is at the other end, isn't it? Oh no, here we go. Here you go.
Oh, there it is.
Tucked in there. Probably the neatest part about that.
Oh, actually, to be honest, it probably is. Bobbin, what's your thoughts?
It's fun.
Thanks for that. Yep, we are, as I said before, we are now going to go active on these front doors. So we're going to strip them down and assess how those speakers have been mounted too. Same with the rear doors. I do have a complete new fascia for this, because obviously that's a navigation one. He does have a fascia kit for the standard version, but not for that. So I have sourced a standard climate control, which doesn't have all of these nav buttons and stuff in it. It's basically cut off above that climate control so we can fit the fascia in. And we've got a new Kenwood 9020 to go in there as well. So, I guess, at this point in time, let's start pulling this shit apart. We got this?
We got this, man.
Bring it.
Boom.
Everything out first. All the boxes of things. The most annoying part is it's actually all decent equipment, and it's just been absolutely... All right, well, that's a start. Wow. Now that is lazy. I'm sorry, but like, you can't even run it under the seat. You just cut a hole in the side carpet? Really? Wow. It still proves I cease to be amazed. I've been amazed many times before, but then something like this comes along and it makes you question life. Let's fix it. Headrest off. Always make it easier. Jesus. Longest stalks known to man. Alright, fair enough. Alright. With the seat out, it only just looks worse. Oh. Oh God. Help me. Oh. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, let's fix. Alright, let's grab some things and make some tidy. What's that? 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil. Allen keys. Screwdrivers. Cool. Hey, Bobbins.
Yes.
You having fun?
No battery, man. This is such a joyous occasion.
I didn't ask you to vacuum the corners.
No.
God, you're a good bloke. God, it's almost like we give a shit. Who would have thunk it?
No.
Now, where to start? Where to start? Start by unplugging. You've got battery out up there now, don't you, mister? Lovely. Mr. Bobbins has already got the battery out, so that's a win. Just start stripping all this shizzles. What the fuck? Is something jammed in that? Yep, something jammed in that. Mad. Oh, yeah, because you know, red and red for power. Oh, that's how you join it together. Oh, for fuck's. There is something jammed in that terminal. Oh, nice little patch lead there. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You know what? We are replacing all of this. I am not keeping anything. Nothing. Oh, really? Yep. So that entire loom that went under the console has been tucked. Uh-huh. That's a mega tuck. Oh, Bobbins, can you please grab me my flush cuts? Yep, they should be sitting on my bench. Oh yeah, that's how you get rid of your excess cable, or some of your excess cable. Just loop it and tape it. Yeah, never cut it to length. You just loop and tape.
Yeah, I'd rather not loop it.
One skill of mine that I like, finding the end of tape. Normal tape's not too bad. Finding the end of cloth tape is always a bitch. Oh, there it is again. Oh, wow.